I have this material from a dress. I transformed the dress into a skirt. I have this elastic and I will make a skirt. All we have to do is sew here and we have a beautiful skirt. You can use it as a skirt or as a top. I like your skirt. What do you say? To wear this skirt as a skirt or as a top? I am going to shift the clothes. I like it as a top. You can wear it as you like. Yes, I like it as a top. What do you say?